Radio B hydraulic syringe set. Harley Davidson. And here's the Harley part number, so you know it's genuine Harley. That is, when you see an X on their numbers, on their old numbers, that means it is a tool. All tools have X numbers on them. So this is old. Yeah, I remember looking at this when I saw it on the up on eBay. Okay, that's gonna be a two-handed deal to get that out of there. Okay, put that over here to see better. Francis L. Ferris Glassworks. There you go. That's good stuff. So, still got a bulb in one piece. I'd recommend you do not squeeze that. Glass looks nice. No writing on the paper. No instructions. A lot of times I have instructions on stuff like this when you open them up. This does not look like there's any instructions. It looks like just paper. I'm not sure why you put that in there. Keep the rats out, maybe? I don't know. So anyhow, if you got your old toolbox or you got a tool kit, this is the kind of stuff that would be in it. So this is the original tools. Don't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't too much. Probably, I'm sure it was under 20 bucks. So there you go. Made in PA. Good part. I like that. And it's genuine. See, a lot of times you can have Harley on here when it says special, especially for Harley Davidson. Doesn't mean it's made by Harley Davidson. But when you have that part number right there, you know that's a genuine part when you see that number. Alright, I like that. That goes to a better spot. That goes over here in the vintage Harley section. That'd be over in that box. Alright, that's it for that box.